Hey everybody. All right, so I don't know about you, but I need something bright and shiny and happy because right now we're in the midst of winter and everything is gray and dark and I have a house full of sick kids. So I need something joyful and borderline silly. I'm just saying. So today we are going to do a bunch of projects that have to do with pom-poms. Because you know what? I don't care who you are. You can't look at a pom-pom and not be happy. Just saying. So we're going to do pom-pom projects. I'm going to show you how to make pom-poms with the Dollar Tree pom-pom maker. Listen, if you have a different method, I am excited for you. I can't figure that out. So love me through this. This is the one way I figured out how to make a pom-pom, and I used a device, so there. Anyways, friends, I'm excited. They made me happy. I hope they make you happy too. Oh, and by the way, hi, I'm Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, let's get to these fun projects. Okay, friends, let's start super simple. I have a bunch of regular old paper clips. They're just silver ones and some pom-poms from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is use my hot glue on the very top. Now you want to make sure you do it so that the part that goes on the paper is on the bottom, right? And I just put hot glue on it and then I just put the pom-pom on top. And what I'm doing is just kind of like pinching it just so that the pom-pom kind of wraps around that paper clip. And I'll show you a couple more times. It's so simple though, but listen, this just makes me happy. Like pom-poms make me smile. I need some smiling, need some happiness and some joy. So that's what we're doing. So again, all I'm doing, putting the pom-pom on there and then I'm just kind of squeezing it with my fingers so that the pom-pom wraps around that top of that paper clip. Is it that easy? Yeah. It's that easy. These would be great little gifts. You can put them on little cards if you wanted. You could make cute little like pun sayings with them, or you could just use them for yourself because like me, I just needed something like joyful and fun. Now, keep in mind, I use notebooks all the time. Like notebooks, if you've been around long enough, you know, notebooks are my jam. I love paper products. And so, but a lot of times I have these notebooks, I'm using them and I can't, listen, I lose my place. I don't use bookmarks typically. And so this, now I can use a bookmark that's not going to flop out. It's not going to fall. And I can mark my place so that I don't have to go through the whole notebook to get to the next page that I'm going to write in. So that's what I did. And I am there for it. Here they are. You could do a whole bag if you wanted, but this is just one of the notebooks that I use. And you can put them on and look at how cute it looks. It makes it look so fun. Okay, staying with the super simple vibe and happy vibe, right? I have this little memo. It's like a cork memo board that I had gotten from Dollar Tree. And it came with all of these little tacks and a ribbon and hangers and all of the things. So we're going to take that out of the package. Here's the little extra package and it came with all these tacks. So I decided, and yes, is it this simple? Again, yes, you're welcome. I just put a little dot of glue on the top and just started gluing the pom-poms on it. Now, can you buy tacks with pom-poms? Yes. But do you get the joy of I did it myself? No. Just saying. I had the tacks. I had the pom-poms. You know, A plus B equals C. C meaning cheerful and awesome, I guess. Gosh, love me through it. I am goofy today. But whatever. Whatever. Look at how cute. These are adorable. Now I went one step farther because I don't have a lot of wall space, but I do have a big refrigerator. So I decided to take the magnets and glue them on the back of this. And now we can use this and we can put it on our refrigerator or wherever else you have metal that you can hang it. You don't have to do this part, but for me, it worked better as a magnet. So I just put them on the back. Ta-da. And then we're going to turn it over and then we can add our little cute pom-pom I almost said Tic Tacs. I love it. Tacks. Pom-pom tacks. Look how cute this is. I love it. I hope you love it. I hope it makes you smile. See, this is the thing. I just needed to smile. And sometimes I need a super quick project and pom-poms also make me smile too. I keep saying that, but it's true. So anyways, there they are. Adorbs. I hope you enjoy. All right, so I started with a tin can. It's just an upcycled, washed out tin can. I also have some pom-poms. Now, these ones came from Michael's. You could use the ones from Target or Dollar Tree, but these ones were really nice. I also have some extra wide bias tape, and we're going to use this for the very tippity top of our can opening. So all I did was I fanned it open, and could I have done the inside first? Sure. I don't know why I did the outside first, but here we are. I did a little bit of hot glue and then just folded over and then just went all the way around the can. Put hot glue and you can see here how the bias tape is open. Do you have to use bias tape? No, you could use a little bit of a wider ribbon. This just is what I had on hand. I liked the color and I went with it. But again, you could use ribbon or you don't have to do this part at all. It's your can. You do with it however you'd like. So again, I just go all the way around. I cut off the excess. I let it overlap a little bit, and you'll see here I just glue it and overlap the edges and make sure to press it down. And then I fold up the inside and I do the same thing on the inside. I just glue and press it down all the way around. Now keep in mind, friends, hot glue is hot and we're talking about a tin can. So the tin can's going to get warm. Be mindful. Don't hurt yourself, okay? Okay. But that's the hardest part of this whole project, by the way, is to glue this bias tape down. But it was fine. It was easy. Don't get crazy. It's not going to be perfect sometimes, and that's all right too. So here are all of the pom-poms that I have, and I'm going to start just doing a row. I started on the bottom, and I just did, and I needed some really fast projects to make me feel good, like a I don't know, it makes me feel good to complete a project, and this helped a great deal. Anyways, I do a line of glue, then I put the pom-poms on. I'm putting them on pretty close together, and I'm also trying to put them close to that bottom edge, just because I don't want you to see the bottom edge. And you just go all the way around, and you'll see I got that done. Then we're going to do another line of glue for the next row, and I'm kind of putting them in between the bottom row, so we're just alternating now. So now we're just going all the way around and doing one in between each of them. We're going to do this however you need it to happen. However, if you want to put them closer together or farther apart, you're going to do the whole can that way. And stop it. Quit it. Look at how it makes me smile. It's so goofy and silly. It makes me smile. And that's what we needed, right? And you see here, I'm just going to the very top of this. If you don't want to go that high up, don't. If you want to be able to see that bias tape, absolutely. Stop as far up as you would like. It's your can. You do with it what you'd like. Man, my words just don't want to work today. It's okay though. It's all right. There it is. Stop it. Look at how cute this is. And then we're going to put some pens in it. Oy, oy, oy. I love it so much. Okay, friends, here's yet another super simple thing you can do with pom-poms. I have some pens. These are all like ballpoint pens. They have caps, but the colors caught my eye. I also have some more of those Dollar Tree pom-poms. They're not wicked thick, so, just keep that in mind. But, okay, so I have the cap. I put a little hot glue on the top. I pick out a pom-pom that matches, which they all matched really well. It was awesome. And then I just press on the pom-pom on top of that pen, and like it. Stop it. That makes me so happy. I can't even stand it. Quit it. I'm sorry. I don't know. If you can be sad looking at a pom-pom, I don't know. I just think that's impossible in my world. Pom-poms equal happy. and easy equals happy too. So, yep, I did it. I did a pink one. I did a yellow one. I did a blue one and an orange one. Yes, I did all of them. And would these not make these would make a great set. We could do all of these different projects together, and they would make a great birthday, like little favors, or you could give them to like your teachers or your school workers, or just for yourself. They brighten up a desk so beautifully. But look at how cute they are. I love them so much. So cute. Yes, it makes me happy. Okay, so as I was doing our pom-pom pens, I had this wait a minute, we can make dry erase toppers. So let me show you what I did. I have two different kinds of dry erase markers. One's from Walmart, one's from Dollar Tree. I have the same pom-poms that I had from Dollar Tree. We're going to do the same thing, except this time I'm going to show you they're going to be useful, besides just making you smile. All I did was put a little dot of glue at the top of the cap, put my pom-pom on. Now listen, I'm doing 3 pom-poms on the top of this cap, just because I want it to be a little bit thicker. So all I did was just put a bunch of glue there, put one on, then put the other one on, and then a little bit more glue and put that one on. Then I take all 3 of them together and smush them with my fingers onto the cap, just so that they're all really together and it almost looks like one big pom-pom now. Could you use a big pom-pom from like Target or Michael's? Absolutely. But this is what I had. Then this is the one from Walmart, and all I did was put the hot glue in the center and then popped the pom-pom right on top. Quit it. Now here I have a dry erase board. It's my calendar, and I'll just show you how they work. I'm telling you, I am so, because I get sick and tired of having to search for the little eraser. Look at it, worked. Listen, could it have been better? I suppose. But for me, this is, yeah, thank you very much. I'll take it. Look at how cute. This is the Dollar Tree one, and it worked. It worked. I love it. I love it when a plan comes together. This made me happy, and it's a pom-pom. So again, happy. But anyways, look at how much fun is that? Now you can have your eraser right with your pen. Bingo bango. You're welcome. Okay, friends, here comes another pom-pom project. I have these coasters I got from Dollar General. They were on clearance for I got them for like a dime. They're just cardboard though. Thick cardboard. So I flipped it over so that the image is on the back, and I put a line of glue, and I'm just adding the pom-poms. Yes, listen, friends, this whole series of projects are so simple, it's not even funny. And that's what I was trying for, right? Okay, so you'll see here, I just did a whole line and then pressed them down really well. Then we're going to do another line, and we're going to do them pretty close to the edge. And again, the reason why I'm doing that is so that you can't really see that edge when you look on the side of it. And I am not, there's no pattern, there's no rhyme or reason. I'm not stressing about, oh, I did an orange one, I can't do that one I didn't do that. I just keep putting them on there. It didn't matter. It really didn't. There was no, like I said, there was no pattern to it. So it was easy. Like you just keep putting them on. I tried to not put 2 next to each other in one line, but whatever, it's fine. There they are. I do press it down pretty heavily just so that that pom-pom kind of fans out a little bit and it adheres fully and not just in one little spot. But same song, second verse, we go on to the inside. I was trying to put them a little bit alternate so that they weren't in a line. They, like there were 2, then I'd put the other one in the center of those 2. But really, it didn't make that big of a difference. I did try to make sure that they were close together so that I didn't have any big gaps. But honestly, it's comical how easy these things are. And it's comical how easy they are, but also how much joy I got from just looking at them. I know, it's crazy. Some of you are like, come on, it's a pom-pom. I know, but when you need that like happy jolt, this is what does it for me. So there it is. So you could stop right there, right? You could just, this is it. You could have done this on the pattern side, and that would have been fine. But I can't stop there. And I don't think you can either. So I did cut out, this is adhesive back cork I get from Dollar Tree. I traced our coaster on that. I cut it out. I peel back the backer. Now listen, I'm going to tell you right now, these things are sticky. Like the adhesive on this is no joke. So then I just put my coaster upside down, put my adhesive back cork on the back, and stop it. It's a nice chunky coaster and super cute, right? Look how fun. Kids could do these projects with you. Oh, this would make a great project for a group of kids. I'm just saying. But look how cute. And this would look great on a desk. I love it. Anyways, yay! All right, so we start with these Dollar Tree pom-pom makers. I'm using the wee tiny one. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. So now you have 2 half circles on each side. Ta-da. Next, you're going to start taking your yarn and wrapping it around one of the half circles. See how they're two pieces together? Done. You're going to do that until that half circle is filled up. See how we did that? Now close that side. Now you're going to take your yarn, move it over. I haven't even cut my yarn yet. And I'm going to do the same thing on that side. We're just going to wrap it until that half circle is gone and the yarn goes all the way straight across. Okay. Ta-da! There's that. These ones are wee tiny little ones, but they're adorable. You'll love it. So then we free our yarn from the device, and then we're going to cut in that well. And you'll see more when I cut it. You'll see the well. It's just the space that where the two half circles connect. Okay, we're going to cut those. So just cut that yarn. And then what I'm going to do, and this is different than if you're just making a regular old pom-pom. What I'm going to do is take, see, there we go. We're all freed up. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is take 3 strips of yarn. I did 3. And no, excuse me, I did 2. I'm so sorry. 2. Do 2 strips of yarn. They're about 30 inches long. And I'm going to then take your 2 strips of yarn and you're going to put it in that well that you just cut. And then we're just going to tie it. You want to tie it into a double knot. So you see, tie it and then pull it really tight. Not so tight that you break the yarn, of course, but nice and tight. Then do another knot. Nice and tight again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up those half circles. So you'll see, I'm just going to pull one out and then the other one. And this is, you'll see if you didn't free up enough of your yarn, it won't open. And you just snip it. That's fine. But you'll see I did the other side. Now, this is where the directions on these jokers don't show you. You have to pop it apart. And yes, I got these at Dollar Tree. These are little makers that I love. And I don't know why it makes people so angry that I use them. But I can't figure out how to make a pom-pom otherwise. People keep telling me it's a cardboard. You just use cardboard. I can't. Anyways, you trim it up. Make sure your pom-pom is trimmed so that you don't have any straggler pieces of yarn. Then I'm going to take, see how we have 4 strips of yarn left? I'm going to take and braid them. Now you're going to put 2 of your pieces of yarn together and then use the other free ones to braid. So all we're doing is cross over center, and I do the entire length of it. I put a knot at the bottom and then I just cut the excess, and it was adorable, right? Agreed. Bookmark for you. Now, I did another one. This is what that medium-sized pom-pom looks like. And I thought, let's make a super cute magnet. So all I did was take my pom-pom, just like we made the other one, except this is a medium one, and I glued it to a magnet. And look it fits on that's my magnetic calendar or on my fridge. What? I know. Whew. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this made you smile, and I hope it inspires you.